sunshine, so guess what? I have good news. Actually, I have two pieces of good news. The first good news is for you guys. I got a new chair. No more squeaking. Look. Woo! No squeaking noises. Second thing is I just got my Quirky crate in the mail, and I am so sorry to disappoint you guys, but I kind of like halfway unboxed it already. Like, I got it and I was like, oh, yes, Quirky crate, the best subscription box, like legit. Like, okay, Boxycharm is the best subscription box in the world, but Quirky crate, if you are not a makeup fan and you kind of like are a little quirky like me, this freaking box is absolutely amazing. So Quirky crate is basically $40 a month. It's like $34 plus $6.99 shipping. It comes priority mail, so it gets shipped like, and you get it within like 2 or 3 days. I literally get mine within 2 days of it shipping. It ships out on the 15th every month. But with each Quirky crate, depending upon the month's theme, you will get a different purse each month. So every month, every time I've gotten Quirky crate, I've got a purse. They guarantee that. And I don't remember if they guarantee any value inside of each box, but I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope with you watching this unboxing, it's gonna get a little bit better. So I'm gonna admit something before we actually like unbox it is when I first saw this box, I was like, oh my gosh, is this like Lisa Frank? Like this was like Lisa Frank to me, okay? And then upon opening it up, and don't peek at what's inside because again, I was bad and I tore the tissue paper. I only pulled out one item. I only know one thing inside of here. And then I stopped myself. I'm so proud of my self-control. But we've got purple tissue paper, we've got the Quirky crate heart, but then this like inside right here, I was like, definitely Lisa Frank. Okay. So, the card right here has all of the information on the value of everything inside of here, and it has a little bit about the artist. What I think is really cool about Quirky crate is each month they have a different artist design the exterior of the box, and then they kind of feature the artist inside of the box, and I think that's really cool. So, the first thing that I am pulling out is this super sparkly pen. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna try not to scream, but this box literally brings me so much joy. I love this box. Okay, so here is this super duper gorgeous pen. I like, oh my god, I can't stop staring at it. I don't know what color it writes, but the like actual handle of the pen itself is wrapped in like pink purple metallic. It looks like ribbon almost. But I don't know, this pen is just so fun. I can't wait to see what color it writes. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little scratch test. It's not, it writes in blue. I still on a daily basis use the pen that I got from Quirky crate like a couple months ago, and I'm so excited about this pen. This pen is so much lighter and it's still so fun. I'm just so happy about this pen. Okay, so that was the only thing that I had actually picked out of the box when I unboxed it the first time. So everything else is a complete surprise to me. So the next thing that I'm pulling out are these push pens. But guys, they're in little hearts. That is so convenient. Okay, hold on. I have to put these down and not hurt myself. So they're pink. And then they also have red push pins, and that is literally like, this box won't come in time for Valentine's Day because the box ships out on the 15th and February 14th is Valentine's Day. So that's really cute that we got a little like taste of Valentine's Day in our January box. But these push pins are really freaking cute, and there's a whole bunch of them in here. Like, wow. And that's honestly like, I don't know, it's stuff like this. There's like a decent amount of stationery in this box, and I would never go, yes, I'm a stationery person, but watch how excited I got about the pen, and maybe I need to learn some things about myself. But the next thing that I'm pulling out, oh, and I totally forgot to tell you this, then every box comes with a piece of flair. Like, you get flair and a purse inside of each box. So I'm saving up all of the pins and all of the flair that I get inside of my Quirky crate to make a Quirky crate jean jacket. So this one says, Best Babes. Will you be my pen pal? Will somebody please be my pen pal? I don't have any friends. I don't have any friends that have a pen pal, but it's okay. Maybe I could give one to my boyfriend. He could have the best one, and I could have the babe one, because I'm an absolute babe. But this is really cute. I love how the clouds are rainbows, and it's, I mean, I love how the hearts are clouds, and then it's a rainbow. That's really cute. I love all the flair that I get in here. It's so fun, and it's so different, like, from any subscription box I've ever seen before. It says, Happy Galentine Day. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. This is so cute. So it definitely is a card. And then, because we have a little envelope that came with it, and then there's this card, and that's literally like all it is the card. The envelope's just plain purple. Here's what the card looks like, and then here's what the back of it looks like. So that's cool. I like how some of, like, I really like how it's like empowering for girls, and it's just fun. I don't know. Let's keep going. So the next thing that I'm pulling out, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, wait, hold on. So there's this cheetah print case, and I feel glasses, and I'm gonna freak out if these are heart-shaped. Oh my god. Yes. This is what I live for. I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. We can do this. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god, I am so happy right now. Oh my gosh, I am freaking out. I've always wanted one of these and I always thought, no, like it's so frivolous, don't do it. I'm gonna see if I can turn my ring light down just a little bit so you guys can see the actual glasses better. So here's what the glasses look like. I love these so much. They're like a light, they're kind of like peachy a little bit, but oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute and I am so excited right now. And they came in these really cute like cheetah print glass case. So wow, they're staying on the rest of the review. So the next thing that I am pulling out are a pair of socks. And like for the last 3 months in a row, I've gotten a pair of socks. Yeah, October I got one. I don't remember what I got for November. I think for November I got like lightning bolt socks, but these are guitar socks. And for those of you guys who don't know, I'm a musician and I used to play guitar for a little while, not super long. Flute was the longest instrument that I played for 9 years, but I am fluent in guitar. So this is really super cool. But what is even cooler is my boyfriend also plays guitar, so I think that these would be really cool socks to give to him. Okay, the next thing that I am pulling out is this. Okay, I can't wait to like open it up. I need to get off the packaging so we can open it up and talk about it because oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so this is iridescent. So we've got like a plastic iridescent casing on this notebook and it's got like a little pop on and off case. And then there's a couple tags on the bottom right here. One of the tags says Mason D Milkjoy and the other tag says keep the rain, give me the rainbow. But that is so, like, look at the tags, they're different colors. Oh my gosh, and then it keeps getting fancier, guys, because the inside, oh, I'm breaking things, but you know what, that's okay, that's okay. So the inside is this freaking stunning notebook. It's a bind, oh, is this a planner? Because I really need one in my life. Okay, so it's got rainbows, like the exterior for the notebook is rainbow and it says Rainbow Life Mason D Milkjoy with a couple hearts, and that's all hollow. That's all holographic metallic. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is such a fancy planner. We've got a ruler and it says Cherry Bomb No Sleep Club. So then look at this. Just take a second to appreciate that. I know this is kind of going to be a long unboxing, but this is so detailed. Okay, so the first little bit, like they all kind of look like this. Like all the pages look like that, and then I see like a differentiation. I can't speak. But what this is I don't know. Is it like a to-do list? Because that's so nice. Yeah, okay, so it's a bunch of to-do lists. So here's what the front of the to-do list looks like, and here's what the back of it looks like. This is, I love how like fancy this is. And like what's even cool is I'm assuming that this was done by the artist who was like featured for this box. So here is like a daily planner. Here's what the front and back look like. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then we've got like a random, just like general notes section here. And then we also have another general notes in purple. I didn't know that I needed one of these in my life, but literally this is so freaking cute and I love it so much. Not to mention, they also gave me a super duper cute pen, and this just makes me, want to be organized. How could this not make you want to like get your year off right? Because that's the vibes that I'm getting from this. Plus it's so cute. I've never seen anything like either of these things. And the last thing that I received is this super cute clutch. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's a heart shaped, and then it's got, ooh, how does that work? So we've got this like random wire in the purse, and nothing like I've ever received before from Quirky Crate. Right now is going to be my scarf because it's cold in my room. I'm assuming it probably just ties onto right here, and then we have another, so it just ties on. I'm not really a big fan of that. Like I would rather honestly just keep this as a clutch. Like it's a little Valentine's Day envelope kind of vibe is what I'm getting. And then on the tag it says tie straps to loops to create shoulder bag, and it says Valentine's clutch on the other side. Okay, so let's go over pricing for everything that I got in this bag. So the Best Babes pin set is $15. The rainbow planner was $24. This was $24. The guitar socks are $8. The Valentine's Day clutch is $16. The heart-shaped push pins are $6. These sunglasses are $15. The Parade, the Rhino Parade, which is the company card, is $5, and then the pen was $3. So the total value for this box is $92. And I was wrong, the artist actually designed the card that's in here. So this card was designed by this artist who also designs the exterior of the box. I honestly, my favorite thing in here, like I wasn't super in love with his Valentine's Day. Like I usually love the purses. They always give me like Betsy Johnson vibes, the purses or the shoulder bags that Quirky Crate sends out. This is okay. This doesn't give me Betsy Johnson vibes. It's cute, it's fun, but honestly, the planner, the sunglasses, and the pen are so, like, I know the glasses aren't super unique, but the planner and the pen are so fun and cute. And I love the flair. I love the fun socks they send out. I love the flair. Like, there's nothing in this box that I'm mad at. I think the card is really cute. I love how it's like girly and it's positive and uplifting. It's uplifting and fun. Like, I don't know. I just love this box so incredibly much. But yeah, so what did you guys think of this unboxing of my January Quirky Crate? I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. What was your favorite item? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.